Hi, welcome back to How to Be a Working Comic. I'm Dave Schwensen. I'm author of the book, How to Be a Working Comic. Before you do anything else, hit that subscribe button and I've got a big surprise for you. And the surprise this week, I'm in Nashville, y'all. Now, I didn't come all this way just to answer your question today, but it just kind of inspired me. Had a guy from my workshop, a good friend of mine, send me an email about writing for sitcoms and how do you do it? How do you submit material? Well, I'm sure some of you out there will have more ideas than I do, but from my experience, it's all about being seen. I would watch comedians go on stage and they could do their comedy material. People, writers, literary agents, agencies, other comedians would see the material, know what they could write. So in my point of view, you've got to get out and show what you can do. And that's why I'm standing here in Nashville. You can hear all the noise behind me, all the music. They're all showcasing. They're all looking for record contracts. Same thing for you. If you're a comic, you want your material to be seen by someone else, get on stage and do it. I remember when Jay Leno took over The Tonight Show, he took all his friends. When all the comics I know got their sitcoms, they took all their friends as writers because they had seen them. All right, also, and I'm doing this in Nashville because you can hear behind me, that's all they do here is showcase. You've got to be seen to be discovered. All right, I've got to run. Thank you for watching. This has been How to Be a Working Comic. I'm Dave Schwensen, and until next time, keep rocking.